So I'm gonna try the cheapest option first because it's the cheapest option. So look how bad they are. I have peeled some of it off so it doesn't look as bad when I put the sticker on top. So I have loosened this and I will show it on the other side. There we go. So you pull down, get the top clip off, and then you pull up to get the top. See, it's got two clips. So that's how you do it. So you pull down, get that to click first, as it just did. And whilst that's out, you gotta pull up and take the other clip off. The wire is really short. That's as much as it will come off, but at least it's a little bit in front so we can do the sides properly. There we go. So it's coming off much easier if you do it on this side. So let's line it up. Probably be much easier if you could take these off the car. It's really much better than before. At least now it's not crusty, and with the light off it doesn't look that bad. So yes, there is a little like thing there, but it's £10. Anyone could probably do a much better job than me of wrapping it properly. And there's what the other one looks like. So that one's not crusted, so it's not peeling off as bad, the driver's side one, but obviously I'm not leaving one black and one silver. I'll show the other side when it's done. Look at the sides on this one. And if I could do that, I'm sure anyone could do it much better. So yeah, don't be afraid to buy one and do it yourself. It probably took me less than 10 minutes. Get it done. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and like, share and subscribe.